Ever wondered what it's like to fly high above one of India's most ancient forts? Wonder no more. Today we are here in the historical blue city of Jodhpur, in the dry deserts of Rajasthan, to zipline over Mehrangarh Fort. I'll admit, I'm scared. This is going to be my first time ziplining. I'm going to be hurling myself from very high heights. I'm very nervous, but it.
Born ready. Is it on?
Camera on.
Good.
Good to go?
Yeah. 3, 2, and 1.
This is just a taste of what it's like to zipline over Jodhpur's most ancient fortress. After the first zip, my fear is totally gone. Having been converted to an adventure sports junkie, I'm ready to rock and roll.
Oh my. Okay. Good here?
Okay. How are you feeling?
Huh?
How are you feeling?
How are you feeling? That one was amazing over the water. That one was incredible.
You looking down?
Yes, looking down and all around.
Sit down.
Okay. Oh man.
Next we zip over a deep ravine in the desert hills.
Okay.
Enjoy?
Oh yeah.
We continue our climb through the Rajasthani desert and enjoy panoramic views of Mehrangarh Fort.
I hope I will be able.
So lean back a lot.
Yeah, but don't lean back too much.
Okay. Or what?
Just eating.
Okay. Let's do it.
With my life hanging on by a carabiner, I continue to zip.
Okay.
How are this one?
Oh, very good. Oh, very good.
One more zip across the Rajasthani desert, and we're reaching the finale.
Good.
All right.
Now you're learning.
Yes, yes. Now I'm addicted to ziplining. So there's the other lake is over. Yeah.
The final zip is the most spectacular.
All right.
The view of 2 lakes, the fort, the blue city of Jodhpur, and even an ancient stepwell.
Oh man. Made it. Okay. All right.
Finally.
Oh man.
How is your good?
Amazing. This one, the last one was the best.
Last one was?
Over the stepwell.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
small stepwell.
My ziplining adventure has come to an end. We make our way back through the fortress walls and to the exit.
Thank you.
Here's a bat.
Bats. Don't let them bite.